do you have in your mouth, Mr. Chipmunk Cheeks? Say mama. Ah. Is that good? Yes? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Banana. I don't think you can shove the whole thing in your mouth. Oh, maybe you can. Easy. Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, it's in your mouth. Is it in your tummy? More? Okay.